Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pure oxygen. Oxygen is an essential element, crucial for everything from supporting life in hospitals to powering various industrial applications. While our atmosphere contains roughly 21% oxygen, most uses require a much purer form. We will explore the primary methods used to extract and concentrate oxygen, ensuring it meets specific purity standards for diverse needs. Understanding these processes is key to both efficient production and safe handling. One of the most common industrial methods is cryogenic air separation. This process begins by compressing and cooling ambient air to extremely low temperatures, around -200 degrees Celsius, until it liquefies. The liquid air is then carefully warmed in a distillation column. Because nitrogen boils at -196 degrees Celsius and oxygen at -183 degrees Celsius, they separate as they vaporize. This method can achieve oxygen purities of 99.5% or even higher. Another significant method is pressure swing adsorption, or PSA. This technology uses specialized molecular sieves, often zeolite, to selectively adsorb nitrogen and other gases from compressed air, allowing oxygen to pass through. PSA systems typically produce oxygen with a purity of 90 to 95%, suitable for many industrial and medical applications. For even higher purity or smaller scale needs, water electrolysis can be used. This involves passing an electric current through water, splitting it into hydrogen and oxygen gas, often achieving purities above 99.9%. Oxygen purity is crucial and varies by application. Medical-grade oxygen, for instance, must be 99.5% pure or higher, while industrial grades are often 90 to 95%. Regardless of purity, safety is paramount. Oxygen vigorously accelerates combustion, so always keep it at least 5 feet away from open flames, sparks, and flammable materials like oils or greases. Ensure good ventilation in areas where oxygen is used and perform regular maintenance on all equipment to prevent leaks and ensure safe operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.